Hey everybody, what is up and welcome back to our channel Tech World. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can fix your GP unavailable. So if you're facing the problem when you try to download GP is not going to be shown on the Play Store, as well as if you try to do anything related with GP, it's not going to work. Well, the main reason behind this is if it says GP unavailable, the first reason could be that the GP is not available in your country. If that's the case, then the only way to fix this problem is to use a VPN. And before I tell you the other way, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos just like this. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment, I'll be happy to answer it guys. And let's jump into the video. So the first way, as I said, is to use a VPN. And just using a VPN is not going to fix your problem. So if you guys have already downloaded GP and you went to a country where it's not available, it's not going to work. And the only way to make it work, again, is to use a VPN and connect to a country where GP works. Alright, so that's one way to fix it. And let's say you haven't downloaded GP until now, alright, and you want to download it. So even if you use a VPN, GP is still not going to be shown on your Play Store, because Play Store works according to the country where you created your account. So using your VPN is not going to fix it. The only way to fix this problem is go to Google and you want to search GP APK download and you got to download it and then your GP is going to be downloaded and to use it you got to connect your VPN to a country where GP is available. Because GP is not available in every single part of the world is going to show GP unavailable. That's one reason. And the other reason is, let's say GP is available in your country. But right now it says GP unavailable. So it basically means that Google services are under maintenance. So when Google fixes their server, all their services are going to be offline. So if you're trying to access GP at that time, then it's going to say GP unavailable and the only way to fix this problem is to wait. Alright, so that's how we guys can fix your GP unavailable problem. So if you guys found the video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.